Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Irresistible Chic channel. Today I will be participating in a collaboration. This is my first collaboration, and it's titled Hollywood Glam versus Glamourous Dollar Tree Tablescapes 2021. The host is the fabulous Glamour Ellen, and today is Ellen's birthday. So happy birthday, Ellen. I hope you have a blessed year. Her co-host is the extraordinary Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY and the phenomenal Linda of Styles by Miss Linda. I'm really thrilled to be participating in this collaboration. All of their wonderful channels will be located in my description box. So please check out all the videos to this wonderful collaboration. I'm sure they're going to be outrageous and glamorous. Any further details can be located in the description box. And if you have any questions or any information that I can assist you with, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you, and thanks for viewing. The first video is Hollywood Glam. I decided to do some vintage along with some modern and different pieces to make it interesting. The charger plates came from Efavormart. The clear dishes came from the Dollar Tree. The glasses are all part of my vintage collection. The gold flatware is also part of my collection, and more than likely I bought it from a estate sale or a yard sale or a resale. I used my candlesticks that I purchased from Home Goods as a base for my feathers. The feathers I bought at Hobby Lobby, and I added a bit of bling to my feathers. I so hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so by pushing the button below. And if you have and you are one of my wonderful subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support. Please enjoy the rest of the videos in the collaboration. They are wonderful. Thank you. This is my second tablescape, titled Glamourous Dollar Tree Tablescape 2021. This tablescape is glamorous on a budget, a Dollar Tree budget. This video features a tablescape comprised of mostly everything from the Dollar Tree. The entire centerpiece was comprised of Dollar Tree find. The basket and the candlesticks were not purchased from the Dollar Tree. All of the dishes, glasses, bowls were all from the Dollar Tree. All of the leaves and the foliage was purchased also from the Dollar Tree. I purchased the chargers from a resale, and the vintage flatware is from my collection. And the napkins were purchased from Efavormart. I think that about does it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the comparison. And I hope you enjoyed this collaboration. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And if you are one of my wonderful subscribers, thank you so much for viewing. And once again, I'd like to thank our fabulous host, Glamour Ellen, and her fabulous co-host, Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY, and Miss Linda from Styles by Miss Linda. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget to enjoy the other videos.